Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with what matters: confirmed access. First, make sure your account has a working email or connected social login so you won't lose access when removing a number. Open TikTok, tap Profile, then the three-line menu and choose Settings and Privacy. Once there, go to Account Management immediately and locate Phone. This is the first actionable step because TikTok requires verification. Keep the old phone nearby only to receive any code if requested. Then proceed to edit. Now you'll perform the complex verification flow. Tap Phone, then choose Remove or Change Phone Number. TikTok will prompt you to verify ownership. If a code is sent to your old number, enter it quickly. If it's unavailable, choose to send the code to your registered email or use the linked social login to prove identity. Make sure to carefully follow on-screen prompts and do not close the app during verification. Interruptions can cancel the request and require restarting the process from settings. Finish by confirming the removal and double-checking account management to ensure the phone field is blank. Once done, you can optionally add a new number under Phone, but only after successful removal to avoid conflicts. If TikTok blocks removal because you lack access to the old number, use Settings Report a problem to submit an identity verification request. Include screenshots and the email linked to the account. This troubleshooting route usually resolves stuck cases. Expect response time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.